Hello. Okie dokie. This is a New Zealand half crown in 1949. I thought it was silver, but it's not. It's copper nickel. So, this is from my friend in Australia, Paul. Thanks, mate. I'm slowly getting through your coins. Hope you're okay. I'll have to give you a bell soon, man. I haven't heard from you for a while. Right. What we doing? Half inch, yeah. Make sure I got the right one in. Easy way of screwing up the coin. Right. I hope everybody's doing good. I'm nearly good. Can't complain. Right, make sure it's nice and level. Don't screw this one up. Right. These New Zealand ones are quite pretty. Right, show a bit of love. If you're looking for a custom ring, give us a shout. I'll have you making one. More than happy to. You can even send me your own coins if you want. I've got a load of coins. You can contact me, see what I've got. Oh God, my wrist is still bad. I'm making these videos so while I'm away, my girlfriend can still upload them. Right. That ain't too bad. We'll show a bit of love with Bernie. Bernie. And he drove the fastest milk cart in the West. Right. I've been sat on a sofa with a bag of frozen vegetables on my wrist. Still bloody hurts, but at least I can use it. It still looks like I've had a breast implant put in it. You know what I mean? Look at that. Right. Okie dokie. Picking a pokey. Oh, I've got to clean it out. There you go. Should I make sure there's no carrots growing in there or stuff like that? Peas. That's gorgeous. So now we need dimples, and obviously we're going to go with this side, sunny side up on the ring. That goes face down, because that's bringing the sunny side up on the ring. What am I doing? Come on. A little too shabby. Right, let's go over to big red. And yeah, a bit of the 7-2. 7-2. And then we need a 17-degree folding die, one of these, Oh, still a bit tight. That's not too bad. Nice and level. Ish. Now that's pretty sexy, I'd say. Right. My magnet still isn't broken, but it's got some right, that's good. We have docking. Oh yes, jolly good chair. I'll tell you what, it's lovely having these things screwed down to the table. Right, I'm now going to re-anneal it, and then we'll put it on spike and have a little play with him. So I'll be back in a sec. Right, I've just annealed it again. Now I'm trying to make my videos a bit more viewer friendly. I'm trying to make them shorter. So instead of doing spike and then doing it again and spike and back and forwards and spike, I'm just doing spike once. I've already enlarged it. And obviously this is going to be the last time I'm going to use spike. Because once you've seen, you know, otherwise the videos go on a bit. And I think it sort of, you know, puts people off a bit. Let me know what you think. You're still seeing the whole process. Instead of me going down here and then reheating it and then come back down here and then do it again, I'll just do it the once. That way, you get a shorter video, which is quite good. A bit more the old kitchen one. You give a bit of a turn each time. That stretches the ring equally all the way around. Otherwise you could get a wobbly ring. Why do I have trouble saying that? Wobbly ring. Try saying that after a few gin and tonics. I think that's about it. How's it looking? Not too shabby. So we will come down to the bottom end of the spike and we need to find one. That one. Put some chollop in there. There is a lip. Let's cut that out. That's better. Now I used to have to take these over to the lady in red. Let's see if God, Jesus, wet. Oh. Bloody hell. Right, let's go over to the lady in red. One of them. We need that. We need that. Right. Let's see what happens. Let's give it a go, Joe. Right, give it a bit of a watch with my beady eye. let's see what that did. It doesn't need to go far. Pretty damn good. That's what I'll say. Right, there's a bit of a lip in there again. Right, let's break out Kate Bush. This is similar to Quad Zero steel wool. I think she needs to get to the hairdressers again. Looks like she just got off a motorbike. I'll whack this one in for now. Yeah, this one I'll do for now. It's a bit more aggressive, but it ain't too bad. Right, let's chuck in the one and only Felton John. Bit of polish. It should come up quite good, I think. Because the relief on it's quite good as well. I wonder how many hands this has touched. Yeah, let me know what you think of this format. Do you think it's better, a bit shorter? I mean, you don't need to see every time I use spike, do you? But sometimes I have to use it 3 or 4 times, you know. Might keep your interest a bit longer. Right, what we got? What have we got? Let's clean off the mingers. My little darling should be on her way home soon. My little beloved one. She's lucky she's got me, really. I've only got her. That's the way I tell them. Okay, that's good. But yeah. Yeah, but she's so lucky. I say she's on the sofa sometimes, sort of just chilling, dozing off. I say, want a cup of tea, babe? She says, yeah, okay. And I stop halfway to the kitchen. I try and say, you know what? You're so lucky you got me. You know what she does? She gives me the finger. I thought, lovely. She gets a cup of tea and I get the big bird. Right. How's that looking? Not too shabby, eh? You still got the detail in there. No Lizzie today. It's George. Hey, George. You right, George? How's it going, George? Bought any decent cars lately? So there you go. What size we got? It's probably 11 or 12. It's a... Bloody hell, it's a 13 3/4. It fits his finger perfectly. Thanks for watching. I don't suppose you'd like to hit the like button for me, would you? Come on, show me some love. And you want to hit the subscribe button? Come on, hit the buttons. Be good. Do me a favour. Be nice. It costs you nothing. I don't get any money out of it. It just makes me feel... It makes me feel warm inside, you know, like a little fluffy bunny rabbit. Right. I'll see you in the next one. And I'll see you. Oh yeah, don't forget to make somebody smile, you know. And you lot can have this. Have it. Have it again.